What's up guys, Jordan here from Martial Mania, and today I'm going to teach you the easiest and quickest way how to learn the aerial. Let's get straight into it. Firstly, I would recommend for you to have a good cartwheel, because an aerial is basically a cartwheel without using your hands. Having a good range of flexibility will definitely help you when learning this move. Click the top right of your screen to do my basic warm-up to prevent the risks of injuries. Now, after doing my basic warm-up, we're going to do my stretching routine. Because the more flexible you are, the easier your no-handed cartwheel will be. I'm doing my stretching routine on the one side. Make sure to replay my video to do the stretching routine on the other side. Okay, sit on the floor with both your legs completely straight. Now try and touch your feet with both hands while keeping your legs straight. And try and get your chest as close to your legs as possible. You must hold this for 20 seconds. Let's go! Now put your left leg straight in front of you with your right leg still on the floor. So now from here I want you to push your hips as close to the ground as possible. So now from here I want you to put both your hands by your left foot and try and keep it there. So from here, keep it there. And from here try and put your chest as close to your leg as possible. And up. So now I want you to do this 5 times. Now go into a stance called Pubu, which originates from the martial art Kung Fu. The only difference is your heel is going to be up, whereas Pubu, your heel is going to be flat towards the ground. So remember, heel up for this move. So now from here, I want you to start straightening your legs just like this. Grab to the one leg, which is going to be your left for this one, and chest towards your leg. Now do this 5 times. Okay, now go into a straddle position. So now what I want you to do, try and grab both your hands to your left foot. So from here, so now try and get your chest towards your legs. So just like that. So now I want you to hold it there for 15 seconds. Being able to do the splits will definitely help you in your aerial, but it is not necessary. Today I'll be teaching you the Wushu aerial, which is basically like the gymnast aerial and not like the tricker's aerial, which is more like a B kick. Do a fast cartwheel. Really try to whip the back of your leg over the top of your body. This will give you the speed to making it over when attempting the aerial. Do the exact same thing as in the previous step, except now you're going to use one hand. If you cartwheel to the left, put your left hand to the floor and your right hand to the chest, and vice versa for the right hand side. Do a running cartwheel. If you cartwheel to the left, lift your left leg up, and if you cartwheel to your right, lift your right leg up. The most important thing is how powerful your last step is, also known as a skip step. This will overall affect the power of your aerial. The next step into getting your aerial is by doing a dive cartwheel, where you do a little jump just before doing the cartwheel. You should notice your body is completely off the ground at the beginning of this move. Now do the exact opposite of a dive cartwheel, which is a pop cartwheel, where basically you bring your hands up a little bit earlier before completing the move. This should show you how to land your aerial. Now just combine the two moves. When you're comfortable combining the two moves together, you're going to only put one hand to the floor. If you cartwheel to your left, you'll be putting your right hand to the floor, and if you cartwheel to your right, you'll be putting your left hand to the floor. All you have to do now is touch the floor less and less until you get your aerial. If you can do the aerial, here are ways to improve it.
The higher you lift your chest during takeoff, the higher your aerial will be. The faster you kick your back leg during takeoff, the easier and faster your aerial will become. Keep your arms to your chest to neaten up your aerial. While you are in the middle of your aerial, you must spot the ground and start driving your left leg to the ground if you cartwheel to the right, and your right leg to the ground if you cartwheel to your left. If you point your toes when doing the aerial, your legs will automatically straighten. Bend your landing leg to absorb impact.
I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please comment down below if I helped you to get your aerial. Remember, if you can't get your aerial first try or if it isn't consistent, don't give up, because with hard work and practice, you will be able to do your aerial. If this video was helpful, hit the like button, subscribe and turn on post notifications if you want to see videos like this in the near future. Please follow me on my Instagram and Twitter. Thank you.